You can extract a range of event logs and reports from an F220 system. Panel configuration summary, network configuration summary, device status, current events, maintenance report. The logs and reports are available in several popular formats, including Excel, Word, and PDF. F220 systems have dedicated logs for each type of event. So even if the main all-event log fills up with other types of events, you can still get information about the last 2,000 alarms from the alarm log. You can use the F220 event logs to simplify system testing or commissioning. For example, the F220 alarm log in the picture shows the result of testing all detectors one at a time. When the test is finished, you can easily copy and paste this information into other documents, such as a commissioning report. Pertronic FireUtils is able to extract a maintenance report from F220 systems. The maintenance report provides a list of detectors that need to be cleaned. Another useful tool in FireUtils is called the Input-Output Trace tool. This tool provides a graphic illustration of all the inputs that are able to trigger a particular item. And here, IO-Trace is showing all of that item's outputs. So you can use IO-Trace to trace back from any item, and you can use IO-Trace to trace forward from any item.